Our next activity is wind bowling. All you need is a plate. It could be paper plate, plastic plate, doesn't matter. And I have here 10 cups. The object of the game is to try to see how long it's gonna take you to blow the cups to the other end of the table, going up and down, not side to side like this. You have to go up and down. You can see how long it's gonna take you to blow all the cups over the other edge. Let's see how long it takes me.